Crochet this lace with me. Use any size thread or yarn and the appropriate hook.
Row 1. Chain 10.
Make a 3 double crochet cluster in the first chain made. Chain 3 and make another 3 double crochet cluster in the same stitch. Chain 1 and treble crochet in the same stitch. Chain 3 and turn. Row 2. In the chain 3 loop, make a double crochet and a chain 1. In the same loop, make a half double crochet and chain 2. Do this twice. Now make another double crochet in the same space. Double crochet in the tip of the next cluster. Chain 9 and turn.
Row 3.
In the second chain 2 space, make 2 double crochets with a chain 3 between them. Chain 1 and skip the remaining stitches and treble crochet in the top of the chain 3 turning chain. Chain 3 and turn. Repeat rows 2 and 3 until the lace is the desired length, ending with row 3. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more, please hit like and subscribe.